Wheatland House by Tom Robertson Architects in Malvern, Australia. Wheatland House is a warm, light-filled home in a quiet, tree-lined suburban neighborhood. The brief is one familiar to the practice: balance the heritage constraints of an original house, in this case, Edwardian-era, with the needs of a growing family. The clients also developed a sensory direction that would make the house feel calming and soft to the touch. The new addition sits behind the existing heritage structure, concealed from the street. Perimeter walls are constructed with crisp brick to provide a sense of security and permanence, while the interior is bathed in warm hues and natural light. The front 4 bedrooms of the original heritage house have been retained, along with a dedicated large home office. 3 children's bedrooms sit triangulated to the family bathroom, separate powder room and central laundry, and round off the existing house's footprint. A large living room in the lower part of the house cascades down from the original dwelling. This space boasts a northern window opening to a small pocket garden and allowing the afternoon sun to pour in. The adjacent kitchen flows to the dining zone, and to the back behind a brick wall, a garage offers rear laneway access. Glazed sliding doors from the living and kitchen areas spill onto an outdoor terrace and garden area. A sense of order prevails from end to end of the house, bringing 2 architectural eras together and, in the process, creating a peaceful and livable space. Wheatland House meets the client's practical needs and enriches their daily lives.